Hello everyone, my name is Citra Anissa Amelia. Here I will tell you a synopsis of my favorite film entitled The Lord of the Rings. This film links myths and fantasy tales. The storyline relates to the creation of an unknown continent called Middle-earth. In this film, the audience will be brought to the ancient realm of mystical powers in one consciousness. It will even be introduced to the history of mythology, its origins, the diversity of creatures, culture, and language, geographical forms that are still beautiful, trees and hills that are still very well preserved. Scene after scene in this film, the audience will be brought to feel as if they are one of the actors. Indirectly, this film drains energy, which spontaneously cause emotional problems that make people curious. In this film, the audience will be introduced to the Hobbit, including Frodo Baggins, who lives with his uncle Bilbo Baggins. Frodo then got an assignment to bring the ring, inherited by his uncle. The ring came from Sauron, the Death Lord of the Darkness. However, he wants to return to life by uniting with his ring. Meanwhile, to carry out his mission, Frodo is assisted by the Fellowship of the Rings, which consists of three hobbits, namely Sam, Merry, and Pippin. There are also Wizard Gandalf the Grey, Legolas from the fairy race, Gimli from the dwarf race, and two people from the human race. Those who will carry the ring will then be annihilated in the crater of Mordor. Fellowship of the Ring begins its adventure with a battle scene against Orcs, Troll, Balrog, the Fire Demon, and the army of Uruk-hai at the end of the film. The atmosphere is supported by Howard Shore's music as its own icon. In the final installment of the Lord of the Rings trilogy, it tells the story of the final confrontation between the forces of good and evil in controlling the future of Middle. Frodo and Sam finally make it to Mordor to destroy the One Ring. The following are the actors in the Lord of the Rings movie: Frodo Baggins, Elijah Wood, Samwise Gamgee, played by Sean Astin, Gimli, played by Rhys Davies, Legolas, played by Orlando Bloom, Gandalf, played by Ian McKellen, Aragorn, played by Viggo Mortensen, Pippin, played by Billy Boyd, Merry, played by Dominic Monaghan, Boromir, played by Sean Bean, Saruman, played by Christopher Lee. The message I got was about the meaning of human life. We will try to do good to others, respect life, and be human beings who are trustworthy and wise leaders. Life is not forever. We don't always live healthy, so do good with sincerity. Be the leader you want to be. Thank you.